In this video, I will remind you how industries can impact upon the physical environment and explain how they may become more sustainable. Manufacturing plants, such as this one near St Aidan's on the edge of Leeds, can look very dull and have a negative visual effect on the landscape. Industrial processes can cause air and water pollution, as well as degrading the soil. Waste products from manufacturing are often taken to landfill, and when in the ground, they can pollute and harm the air, water and soil. This industrial site has closed down. When industries cease working and close down, they may leave buildings and structures that need careful removal. Waste products may remain, which can pollute and harm the air, water and soil. It may be some time before the land is reused or returned to natural uses. Coal is a valuable resource. This is St Aidan's Nature Reserve. It was once a massive open-cast coal mine, extracting millions of tons of coal from the surface of the earth. Large-scale extraction industries, such as open-cast mining and quarrying, have a dramatic impact upon the physical environment. A huge quarry was created, and the coal was scooped out and taken away, leaving a massive hole in the ground. During its active period, the work destroyed natural habitats, polluted nearby watercourses, and scarred the landscape. Transport of raw materials was by road, which increased the levels of air pollution and damage to the environment. Some of the roads needed to be widened and new ones built to transport the coal. The open-cast mining also weakened the riverbank, so that a geological fault or tremor caused it to give way when the river volume was high due to heavy rain in March 1988. Check out the Geography Juice video about the flood. The open-cast mine was flooded with 4 billion gallons of water, creating a lake with a depth of 70 metres. The incident upset the flow of the river and affected other places further along the river's course. The temporary defences that were installed after the flood were visually unappealing. Eventually, it needed new river defences to be constructed at a cost of many millions of pounds. The new banks are made of concrete and steel and are less natural in appearance. The course of the river had to be changed, and it meant additional changes to the canal which runs parallel with the river. Extraction took longer than planned, and so it took longer to return the site to a more natural landscape. Today, there is a great deal of attention being given to making industrial processes more sustainable. Open-cast mines or quarries are often restored to create wildlife lakes for recreation and water supply, which is what has taken place here at St Aidan's. Sites may be landscaped to blend in with surrounding countryside. In other examples, they may be used for landfill, flood storage, housing or agriculture. St Aidan's is also part of a flood management scheme and can store vast amounts of floodwater when necessary. Planning regulations and careful approval is required for mining and quarrying activities in the UK. Regular monitoring of noise, vibration, airborne emissions and water quality takes place. Heavy fines are imposed when an industrial pollution incident occurs. Recycling is encouraged to reduce waste. Rail transport can minimise the impact on roads and nearby villages. Thinking more widely, technology can be used to reduce harmful emissions from power stations and heavy industry. Desulfurization can remove harmful gases such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide from power station chimneys. Using renewable energy sources is preferred. I do hope you have found this video helpful. Check out the other videos on this topic at Geography Juice. Please press like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching.